This is 10 minutes of my t-shirt KonMari method, my Marie Kondo with these. You're gonna watch for 10 minutes, okay? Guess we're doing this. Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the Happy Hut. Usually, I'm a tightwad dad trying to be happy with what we've already got, which is what the words show, but we're in the great shutdown of 2020 and I'm just questioning everything at the moment. I'm just trying to get through the day by coming up with trying out something new every day. I made this video the other day where I'm trying to make a face mask out of my t-shirts and it went really well. It went so well. 2 days later, BBC News tweeted me and asked if they could use a clip on the BBC News at 6.
Using anything from old t-shirts to bedding sheets.
2 of these guys are going to get the chop, quite literally.
This dad from Hampshire tried making a t-shirt mask for himself on his YouTube channel.
My ears aren't coping very well with the elastic bands. So I'm on telly and the video is on BBC One, national British BBC One, which is fantastic. Today, it's kind of related to that because I'm going to be Marie Kondoing my t-shirts continuously for 13 minutes in real time. And it made me think, should I call this thing something else? There's a poll on the screen, I think it's that side. Should I carry on calling this vlog the Tightwad Dad vlog, where we're trying to be happy with what we've got? Or should I call it something else like Self-Help Dad, which is a bit wet? I don't know, is it? Tell me in the comments, should it be Tightwad Dad or Self-Help Dad? One feels more positive, which is probably why it's not quite as catching. There's something about Tightwad Dad that I really like that is actually true to the position that we're in. But anyway, today's trying something new. Marie Kondoing all my t-shirts on camera in real time. Guess I've got to put all my t-shirts back together again. This is 10 minutes of my t-shirt KonMari method, my Marie Kondo with these. You're gonna watch for 10 minutes. Okay. camera. By the way, what do you think about my interpretation of the KonMari method? Leave a comment below. I'd like to know if you have any tips or an opinion on how I'm doing this. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Just say hi. And if you made it to the end, I don't think that anyone made it to the end. But if you did, you can prove me wrong by clicking on the thumbs up. That would be really cool. Or if you're feeling even kinder, why not hit the subscribe button? I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and I think this is just the kind of video that's gonna send me all the way to 10k, so thank you. But this is another video, and my face, if you click on that, you can subscribe, and thanks for being there, appreciate it.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?